What's going on YouTube? Chris here again with another video, and for today we're going to do a little unboxing on some Lancer Ralliart coilovers. So if that sounds something pretty interesting to you guys, go ahead and stay tuned and we'll go ahead and pop this box open. But keep in mind this thing is 45 pounds, so go ahead and remember, lift with those legs, don't lift with your back, and you should be fine and dandy. Probably a little much for a little box like this, but you know what? Who doesn't like big knives? Now that's what I'm talking about. A box within a box. Let's go ahead and get through level 2. That was some heavy duty tape, I'll give them that. And voila! Packaged extremely well. Pretty happy with that so far. As you guys have already seen off the title of the video, these are the Rev9 Hypersport 2s coilovers. Pretty decent price. I'm not going to be tracking this car or anything like that, so this is more for a stancing visual appearance with a little bit of a spirited driving, nothing crazy. But here's one of the front struts. Here is a rear. And obviously another set of rear and another set of fronts. Just kind of go ahead and show you guys what's all in this box. And then here is your adjustment tools, a little adjustment wrench, and looks like a little dampening hex head. Other than that, everything else that is in here is styrofoam to keep everything protected. So pretty straightforward, doesn't look like there's install instructions. But nothing that we can't do. I've already installed my springs on this car, so I already know everything I need to kind of take off of. The only thing that's going to be different is that we can go ahead and change the ride height and the dampening of the springs and everything of that nature. So that's all that's in this box. Pretty happy. Quick shipping. Shout out to Amazon again in a time of COVID. But yeah, there you go. Well, let's go ahead and show you guys a front and a rear out in the sunlight, give you guys a better visual. Alright, since the weather is nice out today, we got some good sunlight going for you. Let's go ahead and get these unwrapped, show you guys what they kind of look like. Pretty excited. These are my first ever pair of coilovers. Out of all the cars, I've never ran them. It's always been springs. But here they go. Here is your rear. And sit in the car just like so. Again, Rev9 Hyperstreet 2s. These are a nice green color too. Look at that. And then here is the front. Obviously, here it is up towards the top. Here you can go softening, hardening. Pretty nice coilovers. So after I'm done with this little video, I'm going to go ahead and inspect everything, make sure they look all good. And of course, yep, Rev9. These are really nice. Pretty heavy as well. Alright, well that's pretty much it for that video. I just wanted to show you guys what kind of setup I'm going to be running on my car. Nothing crazy. I cannot Fortune Autos or anything like that. I don't really need anything crazy. I just want a little lower of a stance, because when I had my OEM wheels and tire setup, the wheel gap wasn't as large, and now that I got new wheels, they dropped down to 18s. There's a bigger gap there. I'm not going to get new springs, so I figured I might as well go ahead and get coilovers. And since I'm not really tracking the car, I'm going to be driving it too aggressively now that I am a dad, I figured these Rev9s were a pretty good, decent deal. So I looked on Amazon, read on some forums, a couple people on Ralliart Revolution, big Facebook page, they can attest to these as well. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and give them a shot myself. So They look pretty good. Hopefully they ride pretty well. So yeah, that's just a little unboxing. I'll be doing an install video here pretty soon as I get some time. But other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life without, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. You guys gotta make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. That way you know we're gonna go ahead and install this thing. Definitely time to get rid of this heinous freaking gap. There's like 3 fingers right there.